日本の猫. Today we're welcoming back Ryu-san.
こんにちは.
And there's a lot of famous Japanese dishes that we can try in the restaurant. However, there are those that Japanese people eat a lot, but we don't hear a lot about them. And one of those dishes we wanted to introduce to you today, and that is Somen. Now, what is Somen?
So Somen is very thin noodle made of wheat flour. And you probably know udon noodles or ramen noodles, but Somen is basically very thin like this. They're half eaten. I ate it already, but they're very thin, and I usually eat it in summer. This was my go-to meal in summer during summer break.
But what is the difference between Somen and ramen? Because with udon you can obviously see the thickness.
Right.
But with ramen...
So we just found out, but ramen, they use special kind of water. It's called kansui. They make ramen noodles with that water, and Somen is just water.
Regular water.
Yeah.
Water.
Yeah.
That's
Let me know if it's different. Or let me know if we are wrong, but we just found out that's the difference. Kansui.
So, let's get cooking.
Okay. Usually the package says you have to boil it for 3 minutes, but I like it really hard, so I only boil it for 1 minute.
That's what she said.
So yeah, I boil them for 1 minute and immediately cool it down with iced water and serve in the bowl of noodles.
So basically, you boil it for 1 minute. It's not just you. That's the whole region, from my understanding, that likes it that way.
Well, I don't know about that, but many people in KYUSHU want their noodles very hard. So if you go to KYUSHU area, or especially Hakata area in Fukuoka, they order their ramen very hard. So just like that, I want my noodle very hard.
So Somen is served with special kind of broth, green onion and ginger. So what is the broth?
So broth, we call it tsuyu. As you can see, I got this pre-made tsuyu, but you can make it with soy sauce and fish broth and sugar.
So now that we boiled and cooled the noodles, let's put them in the bowls.
Okay, so today we have scallions and ground ginger as toppings. You can put as much as you want.
So we put that first.
Yeah. So I like ginger, so I put more. And then, yeah. No, you can do like, yeah. That's good. That's good. Okay. And do like this. So usually like one scoop.
Oh, so you don't... Oh, okay. So one at a time.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got it.
This is good.
Good.
So yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's just a little hard. It's not really that noticeable. So
Right.
Usually, I guess all over in other parts of Japan, that's more like towards mushi rather than al dente.
Right.
So, and if you have like a family meal, would you have one big bowl and then another one just takes a little bit?
Oh, you can do that. Or individually. You can have this bowl and you can have the other bowl.
Which one is more common?
It depends on the household.
If they can.
If they don't want to share their meal, they can separate.
I see. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, take a screenshot and share it on your Instagram story. I would highly appreciate that. Next time, we're gonna have another guest on our channel and talk about the difference between living in United States and Japan. So stay tuned for that. I'm Dara. I have a video every Sunday for you. And until then, ciao! Minasan, konnichiwa. Well,
Okay, you go first.